Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be walking through the GST or Green Satoshi Token. And Green Satoshi is all about move to earn. We're going to walk through their webpage, how to play, and look at their advisors, who's part of their team, and look at the socialify and gamify aspect of this token. But before we start, know that this is for educational purposes only and entertainment and not financial advice in any way. We are walking through STEPN or the GST token or GMT token, and we're going to walk through the webpage, what it looks like. The webpage is really sleek in that it has all these geometric shapes and different colors. The design is really simple. As I walk through their website, it is super simple. Join today, make your steps count. Yes, absolutely. What is STEPN? Well, STEPN is a Web3 lifestyle app, a socialify and gamify elements. And as we walk through today's video, you're going to see what all that means. Make sure to check out the links below, and there'll be some links down there for you to see or get involved in STEPN and other cryptocurrency platforms as well. So on their website, it really just shows this constant count, distances run, their carbon offset, their Twitter followers, Discord members, all those kinds of things. And I really want to walk through what their roadmap is, who their team is. But as you can see, this is a really sleek website and it's really simple. Now, one thing I noticed as well is that it's not just simple and sleek, but it's professional. And I didn't find any like spelling mistakes or anything like that. So some of those are really key red flags. When you look at websites, you just want to make sure that everything looks really legit. So where did STEPN start? Well, it started in August of 2021. That's really where they started making plans to build the STEPN economy. And so on August 10th, they came to this move to earn concept that was born. September, they started team building. October, they won the Solana hackathon and they came in 4th out of 500, which is really cool. And they're just moving along. What I want to point out here in their roadmap is that they are moving not too fast, but just fast enough that they are building this economy out. They closed their beta test in November. They have community events. It's really amazing what they are doing. Where have they been featured? They've been featured in Bloomberg and Yahoo News and Yahoo Finance and Cointelegraph. All of these places are very common to those in cryptocurrency space. And even if you're not, you may see, oh, Bloomberg, well, that's pretty popular if you're not common to this space. So look at their team and just the slick graphics they have here, kind of drawn over almost like a glass board in front of each of their team here. You got Jerry Wang, Yan Rong, Jessica Duan, and Ryan Turner as their lead designer. And if you want to check out their Twitter or LinkedIn pages, you can see those just underneath their photos there. You can check out any of their profiles. And then you look at their advisors. You got Scott Dunlop, William Robinson, Jason Cam, and Santiago R. Santos. And then again, LinkedIn and their Twitter profiles are there. These are the guys that are really running the show. And who is backing them? Because maybe it's just, oh my goodness, there's a lot backing. Binance, one of the biggest exchanges in the world, is backing them. Sequoia, Folius Ventures, Solana Ventures, Almeida Research, and the list goes on and on. And at the bottom of the page, you can see they have Discord, Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, Medium. These guys are all over that social space, as their whole economy is based on that socialify, interacting with the community. Now I want to have us go over and check out their white page. But before I do that, I want to talk about how can you play in the STEPN economy. Well, the STEPN economy is built around these NFT sneakers. So you're going to choose a sneaker that fits your fitness level well. And the only sneakers that you're going to be able to participate is if you have a sneaker and then you move outdoors. So it's not like you can just sit on your couch and shake your phone. You actually have to move outdoors with a GPS. You only earn when you have an NFT sneaker. And so here are the different types of sneakers that you can get. You can see them there. You find a sneaker from the in-app marketplace. Where is that found? Well, you can find that in the Android app, or you can find that in the App Store on your iPhone. Shows you they are really gamifying just fitness outdoors and participating in climate change. They are making sure that people are getting excited about fitness And maybe you're not just a fitness guru, but maybe you're excited about gaming, and this might get you into fitness, which is really their goal. You can equip your sneaker and then you move outdoors, you burn energy, and you earn handsome rewards. So, this is the last time that you have to go to the corner store in your car, because now you're going to run to the corner store. You're going to earn as you go to the corner store, and you're also going to burn some energy, which is amazing. They have anti-cheating methods in here. They'll know if you're sitting there and just like shaking your phone. No moonwalking, folks. No moonwalking, which is great for their economy, great for the users as well. And then check and flex. What does that mean? Well, that means you can check how far you've gone and then just post on social media, hey guys, check out how much I've run this week. It's really, really cool. And burning GST, which is the token that's used in the economy, they level up the sneaker, make it more efficient. Mint a new sneaker, sell it or keep it. And in this, anytime you use the GST token and use it to purchase something, then GST is burned. So we're moving over to the STEPN white paper. And so this really just explains, the white paper really explains what STEPN is, but it's very malleable, moldable, and it can change from time to time. So STEPN is a Web3 lifestyle app with inbuilt GameFi and social elements. STEPN is built around an essential daily activity for most people, moving around. And they say that they are the first project to effectively bring to life a functioning move to earn concept. You've heard of play to earn. This is move to earn. You can move and earn tokens, finishing 4th out of 500 projects at the Solana hackathon in 2021. So we are going to walk through their white paper, and their white paper just really describes what they are, what they're planning to do, and what the token is useful for. So STEPN is a Web3 lifestyle app with inbuilt GameFi and SocialFi elements. So what that really means is that they're gamifying life, and they're also making it super social. And this is how you can kind of look at STEPN. STEPN's built around an essential daily activity for most people. People moving around. They are the first project to effectively bring to life move to earn. So you move and you earn STEPN tokens. They finished 4th out of 500 in the project at the Solana Ignition Hackathon in 2021. So users essentially equip themselves in the form of sneakers by walking, jogging, or running outdoors, and they will earn cryptocurrency. With GameFi, STEPN aims to nudge millions towards a healthier lifestyle. So this is going to try to bring in more people into a healthier lifestyle, whether it's walking, whether it's jogging, whether it's running, whatever that is, in order to really be positive in climate change and making sure that people are more outdoors, driving less, and that kind of stuff. So let's go into the tokenomics STEPN, and particularly their GST token. All right, so looking at their GST token, you are going to see here what supply and earning has to do with their GST token. So their GST has an unlimited supply. That's a problem. But actually, here is a bit of an explanation about it. And it's earned when a user moves in solo or background mode. So here's the GST contract address. Here's the GST BEP20, the Solana contact address, the BNB chain, the Solana chain. You can check those out. And this is exactly how their GST token works, how their burning mechanics work. Well, they destroy them within the app. So the GST is burned by anytime someone mints a shoe, anytime someone repairs a shoe, anytime gems are upgraded. Really, any sort of interaction with the token within the app burns those tokens, so they are never used again. They don't go to someone else. They are burned and they're gone. So let's look at their governance and their ecosystem fund. So GST burning, all GST users spent in the app are burned daily from the spending account. Their team's profit. So their team needs to use profits in order to build their platform. And this is how their team's profit and their governance is. The platform fee and royalty fees are reserved to the team to sustain its operation. So in order for this app to continue on, they do need to make some sort of revenue, or else it will be just dead in the water. So they have a governance here. No less than 5% of the team's profit will be sent to the ecosystem fund. Following are the team's profit on both Solana and BNB chain. So you can look at their profits here on the Solana and the BNB chain. And then it talks here about their governance. And so how is the governance work in STEPN economy? So the other taxes collected by STEPN will be funneled into a treasury pool, which will be up to the GMT staker to decide. So whoever's staking can decide on how they want to use those tokens. They can give them back to others, a generous giver, they can be a kind giver, they can be a matcher, they can be a greedy taker or a selfish taker. And that will be all up to those people that are within that governance. And then it also talks about the voting power. So if you lock your tokens in, you have so much voting power. The longer you lock them in, the more voting power you have. As you can see from this chart, if you lock them in for 3 years, you get 64 votes, where if you lock them in for 1 month, you get 1 vote. So every month, 0.3% of the supply will be unlocked, which equals to 18 million GMT. These GMT will be used to support building STEPN's global economy. Unspent GMT will be held in the STEPN treasury to further build out their economy, to further build out the platform to go on to a global scale and be able to reach as many people as possible. Let's have a look at their decentralized wallet. So stage 1 decentralized wallet is built into the game. So as soon as you download the game on your iPhone or on your Android, you are going to get a wallet, and you're going to have your public keys there, you're going to have your private keys, and they're going to give you a word phrase. And so you'll have your wallet there. And so it supports 2 chains. It supports the Solana chain and the BNB chain, and has a swap and trade function with liquidity. That just means that there's actually available tokens to swap and trade. And then there's a wallet backup function that you can write down that phrase and make sure that those keys are yours, not your keys, not your crypto. Well, STEPN makes sure that this is your crypto. And then stage 2, which hasn't come yet but is coming soon, offers multi-chain asset deposits and withdrawals, and supports NFT, PFP, so profile photos, displays for ETH and SOL, and a new UI and UX. This is all very cool. Make sure to check out the STEPN system as I walked through all of this. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and this is really cool in getting people to move to earn. All right, so one last thing I do want to walk through is their Twitter page. You can find them at STEPN Official. And why is their Twitter page important? Well, it shows you how many people are actually following this project. Is it just like 10,000? Is it 1,000? No, it's 620,000 followers on Twitter. And there are a bunch of big names that actually follow STEPN. There's the Martini guy, who's a very big guy in the crypto space. And there's also CoinMarketCap, who follows STEPN, which is really cool. And what makes STEPN really cool is that they are active. So even here, shows 9 hours ago, they are posting here, get ready for the version 0.73 update. There will be a 3-hour maintenance from 3 till this time on June 21st. That is amazing. So they're already upgrading. And each day they are posting. 5 hours ago, 4 hours ago, yesterday they posted. They're very active. They have contests. They have live discussions. Here's, you wanted more GST? We listen, giving away 500 GST during our STEPN Official Fitness Twitter space. This is really cool. Like and retweet. So they really want their community to be active, and they are doing a great job in being active themselves. When you see Twitter pages that just are like silent, don't say anything, do the minimal, a couple of tweets every few days, you know that you should be worried. Where STEPN, you don't have to worry. 1,115 tweets, and that's since August of last year. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so this is STEPN. This is their Twitter page. Make sure to go check them out there as well. So that's it for today's video, looking at the GST and GMT token and what STEPN has to offer, looking at their Twitter page, looking at their white paper, looking at all the things that you can get involved in a move to earn economy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the links below. If you like this content, make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.